How to unlock Snapchat account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock your permanently locked Snapchat account step by step. So here in this video, I'll show you some steps which might help you to unlock your Snapchat account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with a step 1, that is to try the official unlock page. So here simply open the Google web browser and now here once you're inside it, simply tap on the search bar and simply type accounts.snapchat.com/unlock. And now here in the result page, simply tap on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the website like this. Now here in this page, you simply have to log in using your Snapchat username and account. And there, if you see the unlock button, just tap on it to unlock your account. If this works, you'll get an access to your account again. But if you still can't log in after 24 hours, then you can try the next method. So here, next method is to simply contact the Snapchat support. So here, if your account stays locked, then you'll need to contact the Snapchat support team. And here is how you can do it. So here, simply open the browser and simply search for Snapchat support. And from here, simply tap on the first link. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on Contact Us button. And now here, you can simply ask them a topic and they will show you the guidelines about your problem. So here, in this case, if you have your Snapchat logged, then you can simply tap on I can't access my account. And there on the next page, you can simply tap on the option labeled as my account is locked. And here, under this option, the Snapchat have some instructions. So here you can simply read it and follow the guidelines. And here, if your Snapchat account regulation is out of the guidelines, then you may have to forget about this account and simply have to open the new account. And here, if you are eligible for the Snapchat appeal, then you can simply open your Snapchat app and attempt to log in and then tap on appeal decision on the pop-up screen. And after that, Snapchat support team may be able to help you to unlock the account. And that's it. That's how you can try to unlock your permanently locked Snapchat account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.